Welcome back to Autoscope. A 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome's external design, despite perhaps having greater dimensions, it will nonetheless maintain the iconic Rolls Royce design lines. The massive Pantheon grille and Spirit of Ecstasy will be key features. Premium materials, high-end custom paint, polished chrome accents, and maybe lightweight but sturdy body panels. Size and presence, most likely very large, perhaps constructed on a significantly modified truck or bus chassis. Interior design and limited luxury. The finest materials for the interior will be used, such as premium leather and hand-polished veneer wood from rare species. Living room and master bedroom. There will be a sizable living room space with cozy couches and armchairs, possibly with adjustable layouts. The luxurious master bedroom will feature a king-size bed and a walk-in closet. Kitchen, including hidden professional-grade appliances, marble or granite worktops, and custom-built cabinets. Integrated advanced technology. Every campervan feature is controlled by an intuitive touchscreen and an advanced infotainment system. Performance and drivetrain, robust and smooth engine. Regardless of the RV's size, Rolls-Royce promises a robust, quiet, and smooth engine. It is anticipated to use a modified twin-turbo V12 engine seen in current Rolls-Royce vehicles in order to satisfy the demands of a larger vehicle. Adaptive suspension is a cutting-edge suspension system that ensures a smooth and steady ride even on uneven ground. Advanced driver features, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, and automated parking are just a few of the features that assist drivers. Integrated garage. A little garage where a second, expensive car, motorcycle, or even a drone might be stored. An outside eating area is a patio or pop-up dining space that may be extended from the side of the camper. Self-sufficient energy system, solar panels, used to provide complete independence when not connected to the power grid. Advanced security system. Advanced security features guard this substantial investment.